Hello and welcome to today's video lesson. My name is Joanne and today we're going to be focusing on the IELTS Academic Writing Exam. The focus of today's video will be Task 1 of the writing exam, and we will be looking at the different ways in which information can be presented in a Task 1 question. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series for more help and information. Let's get started. Here you can see the structure of the IELTS Academic Writing Exam. As you can see, it lasts for 60 minutes and is split into two parts, Task 1 and Task 2. As you may remember, Task 2 is worth more than Task 1, so I suggest spending around 40 minutes on Task 2 and around 20 minutes on Task 1. In today's video, we will be looking at Task 1 of the exam and focusing on the different ways in which information can be presented in a Task 1 question. Remember, there are 4 different marking criteria for Task 1 of the exam, and each is worth 25% of your total score for Task 1. I suggest completing a few practice essay questions and trying to identify your weakest area so that you can focus on working on that area. Remember to check out the other videos in this series for more in-depth information on the marking criteria. As you may be aware, in Task 1 of the Academic IELTS Writing Exam, you will need to write a descriptive report of around 150 words from the information that you have been given. This information can be presented to you in a variety of ways. The top ways it is presented are through pie charts, line and bar graphs, tables and maps, as well as diagrams or processes. It is important to note that a question may present information in more than one way. I suggest that you try to become as familiar with each way the information is presented as possible, and become confident with interpreting how the information is shown. Now, let's go through some examples of each of these. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in the description below. Let's get started.